If you are wondering how you can recover your Blizzard account password that you forgot, or how you can recover your account, then let me guide you through. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can easily recover your Blizzard account or reset your forgotten password. Now, what you want to do is, as you can see, I'm on the browser on my phone. You can open up a browser on any of your device that you want, and from the search bar on the search menu, what you want to do is you want to search in for Blizzard password reset, or you can just type in Blizzard forgot password here, as I do on the screen, as I did here, and you can see the very first link popping up there, battle.net Blizzard support forgot password link popping up there. Now I've shown you this quicker way. Instead of prompting through all the unnecessary things there, you can simply search in for it and you'll get the quick result right here. Now what you want to do is you want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, your page should load up. This might take some time to load up actually. Now once you do so, here you can see forgot password, common problems, logged out of account, forgot password, need to reset password. Now here it says if you forgot your password, you can reset it through the account recovery portal, or if you can't remember your secret question or your account information needed to reset your password, you can contact customer support as well. So depending on what you have. Now if you just forget password, you remember your security questions and such, you can simply tap on account recovery portal here, and from here you'll be able to recover your password. You can simply tap on forgot password here, and then you are type in your email and you can continue. Or if not, then you can simply continue contact our customer support there, and you want to contact the customer support there, and once you do so, there you want to enter in your problems and you want to issue a ticket here. You'll have to issue a ticket basically, and once you do so, Blizzard will get back to you or through your email, through which you'll be able to recover your account. So this way you can recover your Blizzard account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.